Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I want.
That one, grenade.
Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers, and we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase, and yes, we are bringing on another new and it's exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, must a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, the Palmers have been dominating the headlines. Of course, Vybz Kartel Tutanisha album, 73 million and counting viewers and subscribers. That is the definition of a successful album. Little Addy with big news, and the biggest news they can get as a man, and the biggest news they can get as a man. So I'm gonna respond to some people want to say. No, the pressure, peer pressure. I know your guardians, your parents, whoever raised you, always tell us, watch you know, don't follow peer pressure. But Alkaline, we don't know this story. From the story break, people are say, yo, wonder what Alkaline have to say. Well, he put out a tweet. If you go Instagram that time, he put out a tweet. He say, yo, the timer start. So one fan said, how him do? Plan for breed a girl, which started a debate. Gaza Nation, Vendetta fans, everybody are chiming in till one fan who was a clear Vendetta supporter said, well, Vybz Kartel get him first youth when he was 27. The people might ask, if at this level, them say, yo, and they mimic somebody at the biggest form of flattery. But we don't need that. We don't want nobody for mimic we. And we don't need no flattery from no man. But the massive viewers and subscribers, Alkaline plan to take it as far as him want get him own first youth at the same age of Vybz Kartel get team first youth. We don't know if there's any merit or any truth to the statement. I feel like however him plan to drop an album, a mixtape, or maybe a song, him know if him not call Vybz Kartel name in the song, it not gonna do as well. So him probably try rally the troops, try get the people them together and make him know say, what you know, I have something new forward out, you know. There's a new song on the way, or a new album, or a new mixtape, or whatever him plan to promote. But the fans, I said no, the youth them we are talking about. As I said, the debate viewers and subscribers, definitely something when the fans go at it and that was the reasoning. You have to just watch and look and say, yo, the statements of them present, sometimes it does have merit. I want the Alkaline fan would have say, teacher gets team first youth at 27. I don't know if you did it. So him say, and him a point out say, Alkaline is at that age. So he must say, basically, the plan is forget female at 27. As so him own fans them feel. Him own fans feel like say, yeah, him plan for do exactly what Vybz Kartel do in a film career. Him a try to build a career like Vybz Kartel. Well, first and foremost, I will say this. It started putting out good music. Hard work. Focus. Dedication to the craft. And some artists have yet to display that level of artistry. They're not true to the game. Enough for them there to make a fast dollar and then move on to something else. And even if them there upon that basis they say, watch you know, dancehall is lucrative, I'm want to use it to elevate myself about the poverty. Nothing wrong with that. The music has done so for a whole heap of individuals. But I'm saying, what about your contributions to the genre? Remember, if you respect this game so much and I say, yeah, music, I gotta be an escape from certain situations. Then why not give back to it so it can be an escape for someone else too as well? Give back to the music, whether that means help out other artists, bring somebody to prominence. I put out good music so people can look on the genre. Don't consider yourself dominant and I say you're a big artist too. People know your name when you have not put in the work. And then now, remember I said this. Some artists are found and need to be about to stay relevant. They realize that instead of putting out hit songs, you know what we can do? We can be adversaries. And if you are the adversary to the king, then our name will be mentioned under that precedence. Vybz Kartel has no adversaries in the music. There's no artist I'm say right now who can go toe to toe with Vybz Kartel. No adversary to the teacher. When we say streamings, I will say views, and when I say, oh, but some other artists are trend, they could do dollars. Let's talk about the figures. How much them songs sell? Is it being sold any at all? And when we do that, we realize that, oh, it's clear. The teacher been a lead and still a lead. Been a lead and still leading today, viewers and subscribers. Never get the reasoning confused. Never get the reasoning confused. The teacher lead. World boss. World boss a lead. And right now, if I say, little Addy, your news like it a pressure them to as well. Your news a pressure them as well. Despite what some people want to tell you, say, and some people want to say, I'm gonna know this. Use an individual way, they already expect this. You already know for say, oh, when the story reaches the mainstream, you gotta have mixed reviews. You gotta have people in clear support. We gotta say, yeah man, you mean? Glad to see that, of course. You gotta have the naysayers who gotta take the opportunity. You say, watch ya, how this for go on, how that for go on. And it was all calculated. You could tell me earlier. But you know what you say, watch you know? We not keep it a secret. And mama strong. She had turned 18. So you know what? No, I hide nothing. But I just want them think the fam. You know what I mean? Stay focused. Do what you have to do. One thing we know with you is an artist and an individual. Let's do this. You don't really listen to the noise. If you are a record, you listen to the beat. And if you're in the streets, you listen to the streets. But when you listen to the noise, because you have a whole heap of naysayers. And what they must necessarily make sense a majority of the time. And sounds where you can't readily identify are considered as noise. So when you listen to the noise, Gaza Nation, you know the settings. Fully up. I mean, fully Gaza. UTG, a uptown greatness. Yeah, a uptown greatness. And him approve just that. Him definitely approve just that. Don't limit the youth them. Don't put the youth them in a box. Don't feel like you have them figured out. They will surprise you. They will definitely surprise you. And give you a story we talk about for days. That does the implications. Right now, some people have this as a big topic, not just locally, internationally as well. Everybody are chiming. Everybody has said this, I said that. Who not support a naysayer. Who not naysayer support. I say, watch another just a good look overall. A life. I will celebrate that. We celebrate the news of life every time. We don't know what some people want to do. Like they did want to say, at the end of the day, you know, what them I say, whether it have merit or have merit, not. The situation has taken place. And too much of our citizens do the ball over spill the milk thing. Meaning say that now we are talking about it for days while not trying to present a solution and trying to move forward. We're not going to talk to the situation now. We're going to tell you what we plan to do about it. Not what has occurred, but how we can move forward knowing say that has taken place. How best can we do it too as well? A majority of the naysayers, let's never put that forward. It's like them almost want the youth them to start feel away. Some say them look stressed, some say them look depressed. It's almost like them want them to start to feel away there. No momentum to high for that. It's an exciting time for them, no matter how you want to describe it. Even for look at it right now in their career, exciting moments, songs are drop, songs are trend. Producers want the artists to advise for them. In a promising career, you might expect a child excitement. There will be no gloom or no down settings. What is a down? They might try for down. You're mad. What is a down? Up move settings. I wouldn't need no ladder for do it. But I said the one called Jayden, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you now. If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. But you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you to click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon right after that. Put it on all too, because this is how you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you. Like icon there, drop a like on the blog for my like with your share icon in close proximity, so you can drop a share on the blog. Tell a friend, tell a friend, to tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reasoning, join the discussion. Comment section open 24/7. Never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines, however. Other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there, and we can continue reason via the comment section. You know the settings, fam. Up move, and we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours are gonna live, love, and prosper until the reason again.